This 3-in-1 foldable wagon from YACONA feels impressively sturdy, using pressure-resistant steel to handle very heavy loads without flexing or wobbling. Despite its strong frame, the cart remains surprisingly light and compact when folded, so it is easy to carry and fits neatly in a typical car trunk. The large capacity bed holds a generous amount of camping gear, groceries, or garden tools, making it a practical hauler for both everyday chores and weekend trips. All-terrain wheels that swivel fully around give it smooth, controlled movement over sand, grass, and gravel, and the removable design makes cleaning straightforward. The double-layered Oxford fabric resists tears and scuffs, wipes clean quickly, and is complemented by cup holders and reflective accents that add real-world convenience and safety. An ergonomically shaped, height-conscious handle helps you pull the wagon with a more natural posture, and the quick, tool-free setup means it is ready to work in about a minute.